Welcome to Code Box Automation Lab. In this video, we're going to see how can you download your video from your YouTube channel. So go to your channel first, and then let's go to your YouTube Studio. Then you can go to your content. So here you can see all of your list of your content, recent content, or you can go through whatever the page you are looking for the content. So if your video is over here, you can download your YouTube video. So example, this one option in the three dot, click it up there, and here is the download option. Okay, you can download from here. Now, apart from there, if your video is not there, you can still search your video over here. So example, I'm going to search advanced locator. So I want to download this video. Let's click on up there. And then you can go over here again. There's a three dot, and click on download. Okay, then it will start to download. Okay, that's easy, very easy. You can download your own video from your channel. Now, if you want to download any YouTube video other than your own channel, how can you do this? Assume that this is a YouTube video that I want to download. To do this, very simple. Go to google.ca or com and type YouTube downloader. Then you will find a lot of online-based, cloud-based company that use help you to download the YouTube video. So to do this, let's see, go to any one of them. So go this one, and then you can just share the link, the video you want to download, paste it over here. Then you can see this is the the quality of the video is going to be like 360 pixel or 144. You can click and convert. It will start to download. But FYI that you need to disable your ad blocker. If you have an ad blocker on your browser, you have to disable that one. Okay, you can do this one. This way you can also download your any YouTube video. And similarly, you can find a lot of other online based site that's hassle free YouTube downloader. This is another one, yt5s.io. you can share again your video link, and it can download even 1080p the different pixel. Okay, so that's very simple and easy to download YouTube video, whether from your own channel or from someone else's channel. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye bye.